Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with another diecast car video, and today we have the 1995 Mazda RX-7 number 2 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Drift, number 177/250. And before I talk about this car, this is not a Zamac, by the way. Some people do thought it was a Zamac, but it's actually not. If not, it were to be stated on the card itself. Yeah, but I'll talk about the color of this car later. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the RX-7. So basically this is not a Zamac color. This is basically in sparkling silver. So it's... why did I say sparkling? It's actually metal flake, sorry. So this is more of like a metal flake silver. I guess you can say sparkling as well. It's sort of like a glittery type of paint, which I do like for one, because this type of glittery type of metal flake paint looks very nice when you look at it from any angle. Looks pretty great. It's better than a normal metallic type of paint job. It's quite nice. It attracts people's attention. It's very good. So let's move on to talk about the car here. So this is the 1995 RX-7, like I said just now. This is the I don't know how manyth release, but it's the second time it released in this type of design. The first release was basically in that blue and green paint scheme, which was very rare at that time. It came in early 2022. So it had the light blue and green Falken paint job as usual. I did a review about it. It has the white 10-spoke wheels. Yeah, that one. This one is basically the recolor, but in that still same blue paint scheme, but they changed the whole body of the car into this metal flake silver, which, to be honest, looks pretty nice. At first, I thought it was another Zamac that would never actually release, but turns out it's actually metal flake silver, which honestly looks pretty good. I mean, I like the color of the car. It looks pretty nice. And yeah, let's take a look at the car. So similar to last time, it has these 10-spoke rims in black, as you can see right there. I'm not sure if you can see. I think you can. Right there. For the side, you can see the rear fender. We have the Hot Wheels logo in blue and another sponsor right there, if I can see it. Race, yeah. Race, the one who does the rims for cars. Falken tires, of course, sponsor for the tire wear as usual. E-Bach and Grady. I like the usual Falken tires, type of color change right here, from the silver to the blue. Looks pretty great. It applies to the top as well. Silver and blue for the top, looks pretty good. For the front, right here, you can see that it doesn't really have the signal or fog lights. Yeah, it doesn't really have that. They didn't paint it. Here's a bit front of the blue, a bit of the blue part at the front, the color. And then you have a bit of the grille down there. Of course, it's not painted. Then you have the pop-up headlights, which don't pop up, but they did color it in blue. Then on the hood, you do have a lot of sponsors here. You have Hot Wheels, Formula Drift, star of the show, Falken tires, Grady, E-Bach, Race, and also, of course, the car itself, Mazda. There's the side. Moving on to the back, of course, it's empty. So mainly all of the commotion goes to the front. When you look at it at the back, it's totally plain. So you don't have any rear lights, you don't have any license plate, you don't even have a Mazda logo, and nothing of course on the spoiler. But the spoiler is in fact metallic, as all Mazda RX-7s do have, but you do have exhaust pipes on the bottom there, which are in fact I think black. Yeah, so they have exhaust pipes at the bottom which are black. Same goes for the base. The window, the windscreen is actually in sort of like a blue, sort of like a transparent blue. You can kind of see it right there. For the interior, it's basically gray, sort of like dark gray right there. It looks pretty nice. Here's the base, 95 Mazda RX-7, 2017 Mattel, made in Malaysia. There you go, that's the Mazda RX-7. It's gonna be rare as well in this color because basically many people like Falken, and whenever there's a Falken type of car, they will absolutely get it. So yeah, if you happen to see one of these, I suggest you to get it, no matter you want to keep it or you want to like rip it apart and make it as your display, or maybe you want to customize it however you want. Go ahead and get it. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.